Let's go inside the Maritime Defense Exhibition DIMDEX 2022 for the Day 2 with Navy recognition.
My name is Asad Kamal. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Global Industrial and Defense Solutions, commonly known as GIDS. This is Pakistan's largest defense company. For the last 30 years, we've been into production of different variety of different military hardware for the Army, Navy and the Air Force. Behind me you can see the armed drone we call the Shahpar. The Shahpar is a complete reconnaissance solution which is equipped by 2 missile systems. The one behind me you can see is called BURQ. This is a 45 kg weapon similar to the Hellfire. It's a laser guided weapon. So the Shahpar UAV has the capability to fly to about 1,000 kilometers, doing combat air patrol, fully autonomous, can carry 2 weapons and take on any stationary or moving target. So OCAB is a very versatile solution. It is primarily designed for the Navy and also for the areas where you don't have the luxury of creating long runways like jungles. So in jungles you can carry it on a catapult behind a trailer. You can launch it and it will do real-time reconnaissance for 8 hours from 20,000 feet and utilizing a HD payload. So good to go in complete darkness using a thermal imager camera and also in daylight. So very versatile. You can recover it through a net and also through a parachute. So the Middle East is a very dynamic market, very quickly evolving market, especially with regards to the new security situation that is changing in the region. For a company like Pakistani company, we find the Middle East as a prime market. Saudi, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, they are prime customers. They have got their own peculiar challenges. So with regards to these UAVs, we find that this is the very right market which needs some sort of a solution for surveillance for its assets, naval assets and land-based assets.
My name is Davide Cioppi. I'm the responsible of the sales and marketing for the defense systems. We are responsible in our division on the design, development and manufacturing of all the effectors, armaments on behalf of Leonardo for both land and naval applications. Centauri is our light tank, anti-tanks capability that we have been developing along with our partner Iveco, which is next to us. We are responsible for the turret, for the armament part. It is in service in Italy. We have sold it around the world to other 3 or 4 nations. And in this version, the so-called Centauri II, we have learned a lot of lessons from the previous generation, the Centauri I. And we have incorporated those lessons in the upgrades that we have introduced in the system here for both the armaments and the electronics equipment that we have. On the other side of the stand, what we have here on display is a movie representing our family of smaller caliber guns for naval applications that can be used as a secondary armament in larger boats, and as well as a main armaments on the smaller. This family has been recently upgraded in terms of configuration and optical sensors and armaments as well. We have 4 different versions of the family for different applications, but there are a lot of commonalities among them. We have the so-called inner reloading. We have the top. All of them are 12.7 millimeter calibers, but we also have a version on the 20 millimeter calibers. Today, by the way, we have made an announcement for a recent contract that we have signed in the Netherlands for the new class of LPD that are going to be equipped with the Lionfish Top 12.7.
I'm Taner Budak. I'm working at Rheinmetall Barzan Advanced Technologies and I'm working as a senior solution architect. We are displaying a military police vehicle. This is attached with a long-range surveillance system, a trailer solution. We provide them a command and control software interface, long-range surveillance sensors, and also we provide them the system integration. The operator can control everything from one single interface. Additional to this one, we are providing them a drone feature, drone surveillance feature. So whenever something is detected, so they can go and check that thing with a drone This is a military police vehicle from Turkey. It has remote control weapon station from other providers and it has sensors from other providers as well. It has been in use for a couple of years for the military police in Qatar. So the system is actually running from batteries. There is no noise. So whenever needed in emergency condition, generator will be running and then the system will be charged. So this system is a standalone system. It can be deployed anywhere. They will be communicating through point-to-point communication. Command and control interface inside the vehicle. Here we are merging all the sensors information in one single display. It's providing situational awareness. It is providing NATO symbology interface. It's providing the layer management. So we can see each, for example, the radar as a single layer. And also we are providing the surveillance zone interface so they can define zones, they can create alarm conditions, warning conditions, etc. So this is a view from daytime camera, this is view for thermal camera. And then we can provide a video wall display so they can see all the other cameras here as one small display as well. So they will be inside, they will not need to go out and they will be comfortable inside during the operation for long hours.